Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is just to wish all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. I hope all of you do well in the coming year and are safe and healthy always. Videos also to highlight the different sweet recipes that we have on our channel, because many of us will be making sweets at home this festive season because of the unavailability of sweets in the market, and also to look after the hygiene part of it. So to give you a small preview, I'm just adding a few recipes on. You can find the entire playlist of 60 plus sweets on my channel. Please do visit my channel. Most of these recipes are very easy to be put together and have very simple instructions to follow. I hope they are helpful, and I also wish all of you a very happy Diwali and stay blessed always.